Hi guys, it's Chris from Car Sound Security. Today what we have is a 2019 GLS. Alright. Gentleman had one stolen literally 2 weeks ago, give and take. Alright, what we've installed today is a Ghost Immobiliser. What we've done, we've set a dummy code to give you an idea of how it works. So you enter the vehicle. When you get into the car, obviously we're going to try to attempt to start it. Try to attempt to start it. Okay. As soon as you put it into gear, the car shuts down. Let's try it again. Okay, nothing. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the code in today. Alright. So what I've done it on the paddle shifts here, just as a setup code, and then we'll change it in a little while. So I'm going to push it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to see the P flash twice. There you go, 1, 2. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put it in reverse, start the car, put it in reverse, and you can see now it stays in gear. Alright, let me show you again how that works. So we switch the car off, okay, pretty much activates straight away. Okay, I've started, put it in gear, car shuts down straight away. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to put the code in again, so you can see me push it this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see it flash twice. There you go. Perfect. Start the car. And now I'm going to put it in reverse. And it's going to stay in reverse. There you go, guys. To get your Ghost Immobiliser fitted before your car gets stolen, give us a call on 0208 554 5554. That's 0208 554 5554. Thanks for watching, guys.